My friend Chris bought himself a Ford Mustang, crash damaged 4 months ago, and I'll try to fix it and put it back on the road. Let's go. Oh. We tried to start it, guys, but the battery is completely dead, so we are going to buy a new one now and we will try again. But the car is pretty good. It's not in bad condition. Yeah, the rims are completely perished. You can see it. So yeah, that's for now. Waiting for the battery. So I'm still waiting in the Mustang for the battery. It was maybe around 30 or 40 minutes. The people around me just staring at me because I'm basically in the middle of the street. But yeah, no progress for now. At least we know that there is oil inside the engine. We checked. It's not like the other brands without dipstick. We have a dipstick, we checked, the level is good. The coolant also is good, but needs to be flushed and changed. It doesn't look pretty good, but the car is 90,000 miles, which is around 150,000 kilometers, which is not bad for that engine. They're reliable. But anyway, we'll change the coolant and all the fluids inside the car. Very good. This is the owner of the car. That's without rear mufflers. Very happy. We started the car. That sound just nuts. But we have to change the front left wheel because it's completely perished. So the front wheel is changed. You can see there is not much left of this semi-slick, and this is the spare tire.
Look, it's almost touching the brake caliper.
Oh, actually it's touching.
I don't know if it's going to the...
Oh, I zoomed 300 times. Fail. Bad. Yeah, it's literally touching exactly here. Go! First, we will have to assess all the damages on the front. If we have to order something structural, frames or chassis leg or something else, we have to order a few plastic trims, but they're not of an urgent. We will have to service it. We will change the spark plugs right now, maybe the oil. The coolant is ordered. Brake pads will be changed. They are also ordered. Many of the filters will have it. So we will change it today, maybe. We'll see. That's for now. Let's go and see what damages else we have. So guys, this is our damage. We will try to hammer it, at least to make it a little bit more straight. You can see, just a moment. Oh, you can see it here. It's not supposed to look like this. It should be straight, but it's looking up. We'll see what else we can do. You can see this bar should be straight in one line, but it's not. It was on a very high pressure here. We'll see what we can do. Maybe just a little bit with hammer, and we'll see. It's not affecting maybe the front bumper, but anyway, we have to make it as much as possible like the stock. So finally, that's how we're gonna straight it. Okay, go. At least it's working.
I think it's
Very good. Let me zoom it. Let me zoom.
very good.
It's much better. See, no, take this.
I think maybe a little bit more.
A little bit more. If we can push it.
Yeah, look at the leveling of the two.
Mm-hmm.
You can see this one needs to go a bit more, but
No. So maybe we're gonna leave it like this, as it usually involves welding, but we cannot weld. So at least we can make it 90% straight. So yeah, I think that will be the final. It's not holding the bumper, it's just holding the covers under the engine, so it's not important. It's not about lining or something.
it's going to be straight. So
Mm-hmm. Eh? Okay. Brand new second hand. So now we are starting to put everything back together, and let's hope to finally one day to put the bumper on. new spark plugs. Let's see if there is any difference to the performance.
Brand new K&N filters.
Let me show you. Yeah, we have to change it. It's proper maintenance. Let's see the others. So now I'm changing the spark plugs and Chris is changing the cabin filter, which is on a very bad place. He's calling me now. I have to leave you. Sorry, guys. Guys, that's
Wow, I was changing the cabin filter.
and that's
This is everything that fell out. This filter, I'm guessing, hasn't been changed in
the last
50,000 kilometers.
Yeah, since it's manufactured.
Yeah.
Nice. The second spark plug, it's a little bit, just a bit oily. That's interesting. Let's see if the others are the same or only this one.
So these are the very old and crusty filters. Look at it.
I would say where is the new one, but never mind. I would ask where is the new one, but never mind. You already did it. Guys, see this coil? It's a little bit different from the others, but you can see.
Ingenuity at its finest.
Yay, guys! I want to show you my extension for the guys who will buy this engine. I just want to show you. Wait a moment. So you need 60 millimeters. You need an extension. You need the small angle. You need this one, and after that you need the torque wrench. Same. That's all, just to take the last spark plug.
Otherwise, you have to remove that whole quarter.
Yeah, this panel and the other panel, but you have to remove the battery, and that's a long job. I'm not sure which cylinder is this, 4 and 8 or 1st and 5th. Not sure, but it's the last one. That's why I'm doing the spark plugs. Chris is putting the new arch lining, and we're not gonna change the oil as we have problems. We have just problems. We cannot change the oil. We'll change oil maybe after a few days. For now, on the spark plugs, the arch lining, the front end. Chris is struggling a little bit. So guys, I'm ready. Chris is not. What to do? I'm a mechanic.
Brand new.
So arch lining. Oh, it's not visible. Wait a minute. So the arch lining, it's brand new. It's ready. We can put the rim, and maybe that's for today. We'll see. Okay, we are ready. Let's see if she starts. Everything is put right together. On the front bumper, the spark plugs are ready. Let's see. nothing special. Yeah, so far the engine is working very good. Yeah, I like it. So guys, we are ready for now. The next time we will change the oil. We'll try to put the front bumper. We'll try to